The concept of input and output is absolutely essential in any system, and that's especially true in n8n. An input is the data that your node is receiving, and the output is the data that your node is returning. If we take a look, for example, at this Gmail node here, we can see that it receives in input some data. We see here that we have on the top the edit fields node, which contain the message. If we go back to the previous node, we see that the edit field is returning a message in the output. And then we have also when clicking test workflow, and this is empty because this node doesn't have any output. We have access to additional information in the variables and context, for example, the time. We have several options to see the input data, the schema here, the table, it's another way to display the data, and the JSON. In the JSON and table, you just see the data from the previous node here, but you have a switcher, a drop-down where you can select the node from which you want to see the data. This is exactly the same for the output. In the output, we have the schema, the JSON, and the table, and this is the output of this node. So this node, the send email node, is returning an ID and a thread ID and some labels, and this is what Gmail is returning us when you send an email. So basically, this is the ID of the email that we just sent.